Hey YouTube, so Paul Bates here, and here we are, day 10. Lots of stuff happening today. I'm going to keep this blog going, and I'm going to keep it going for a while. There's this COVID-19 thing isn't going anywhere soon, but we have some big news today, so stick around. I'll let you know what's going on. My keto, I didn't eat breakfast. I had some lunch. I got in a little bit of an emergency call, so I had a very small lunch, just some tuna, and then had my dinner. And I had that magic glass of wine because of this news I'm about ready to share with you in a few minutes. It's unbelievable. Okay, the market's down. Stocks went down a little bit. I'm looking at adding to Uber right now as my big one. Really like to get that down there, but I think we're nowhere near the end of this. I think the news is just going to keep getting worse. So the price will keep dropping here a little bit, but I'm going to add slowly and slowly, try and get my average under $20 for Uber. That's my goal this next week or a couple weeks or so. All right, my cryptos are up, so doing really good in cryptos. I think the people are starting to see that. I wish I was more vested into crypto, but we're working on that. So I'm adding to those positions every week. I'll probably add some, actually today probably. So we'll see. But again, I have some big news to share, so my time is going to be very limited. So one of the big things that happened yesterday was I had to go pick my mom up. And that's a little bit of an ordeal here. You can see I have the masks on. I had to go back over to work, get some masks, get gloves. If my mom gets COVID-19, she dies. She has COPD. She's almost at the end of the COPD. I would say she's in that final, getting close to that final stage. She's on the maximum medications that you can take for it. And if she got COVID-19, she's done. So they're very, very cautious. She's doing all of her doctor's appointments right now are done through the iPad or the iPhone. So it's super, super cool that they're doing that. But to give the actual blood, I had to go over to the facility, the retirement facility that she's living in, pick her up, and then take her over to the doctor. But it was amazing. When I got over to the doctor, I explained the situation. They already knew she was coming. They knew she was there. And they actually sent the nurse, you can see right here, they sent the nurse to take blood from her right in the car because they don't want to take any chances with her. So that was super cool. So when I got back from that, I did my morning video. I finished everything up with the video, and you're not going to believe this, but I have been really thinking about what happened in 2008 and how I positioned myself and all that stuff. And I'm in much better shape going into this next little, whatever we're going to call it, the financial meltdown, whatever we want to name it or call it. I'm in a lot better shape. But during that one, I got a boat. Here, I'll show you a picture of it. We ended up with this boat. Everything paid for, and we were living the freaking dream. I mean, we're out there in our yacht. So those days it's coming back to me that I have a shot now because I'll explain it in some later videos, but the prices of stuff will start to gradually come down here. We're nowhere near that right now. That's not happening right now. It won't happen anytime in the near future. You can throw some stuff out there. Like yesterday, I had some guy call up and just offer me a ridiculous price for the X3. And I refuse to take it because right now I have everything for sale. I have the house for sale, I have the RV for sale, and I have the X3 for sale because before all this started, we were going to go debt free. So it's still our goal. We're still going for that, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, it just got me back into thinking. So now the big news. Work called me, so I'm sitting at work. I'm sitting at my desk at about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, working on some stuff. And all of a sudden I get a phone call. I actually get a text first and then a phone call saying, work, hey, you need to come back. And what we're doing is we're building wall panels for temporary structures for these hospitals in New York and stuff like that. 2,600 rooms is what we're going to build. And we have 7 days to do it. So I'll get to finish working this week. I'll work through the weekend. And then next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it was told that was it. So Thursday would be my last day there. Again, but you never know, man. This could lead into something. It could be leading into something big, and I go right back to work. Now, we'll see what happens, and if that does happen, great. If it doesn't, I just got 2 more weeks worth of work, so it's definitely all worth it. I'm going to keep this blog going because I think it's important to look back in history and see what really happened. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a big news watcher. I don't know. I do know what's going on in the world. There's enough people talking about it, but there's also a few people like me that are doing these daily blogs so we can really see, you know, how it impacted us, what happened, what did we do, what decisions did we make, what are we doing. And so I know what Paul Bates is doing. I'm staying with the market. I'm down to probably around 15,000 cash, but I could convert another 10,000. So I'm saying I'm still sitting on about 25,000 in cash in my Fidelity account, and I'm going to slowly buy stocks. And yesterday I put these orders in on my Fidelity account, and I just put extremely low numbers. So and whenever if they were to pop, they popped, and one did pop yesterday. I picked up Carnival Cruise, and maybe that wasn't the greatest buy at $9.75 because I think it went actually down to $8.75, $8.60, somewhere around there. But I'm not trying to catch the bottom perfectly on any of these things. I just want to get, and it's just a small order, 100 shares. I think the company's going to come around huge when this is all over. I don't think they're going anywhere, but we'll see. Anyway, Paul Bates, peace out. We love you guys. I can't wait. Daisy is going to go for her walks still. I'll just take her earlier in the morning. Anyway, I love you guys. Peace out. Be safe out there. Take this coronavirus so seriously, because the things that we have to do at work now are just unbelievable to even go into the building. So we'll see. I'll share that with you guys throughout these videos. And again, I love you guys. Peace out. Bye.